the stars you worked with, you mentioned Pushpa. So you worked with Allu Arjun earlier,
Yeah.
you worked with NTR Jr., you worked with Ram Charan. Now they're all what we call, or what are called pan-India stars,
Yeah.
right? Did you get the sense that they had this thing in them when you were working with them, that they would, because at that point, frankly, and the reason I asked is because nobody really thought any, like everybody was like, oh, they're a big Telugu star, they're a big Tamil star, they're a big Malayalam star. Very few, or even Amitabh Bachchan for that matter, was a Hindi star. Nobody looked at him as a pan-India star, even though those movies ran everywhere, kind of a thing. But now you're having extraordinarily rooted, like a Pushpa, for instance, is very rooted in a particular culture and very land. But it's like doing, like you said, the insane numbers.
Yeah, I don't like the word pan-India.
You don't like that word?
I don't like the word. What is pan-India? It's India.
Yeah.
You know, like it is.
It works across India.
I know,
Yeah.
but India is also a cumulative country of everything, right?
Yeah.
It's an Indian film, it's an Indian actor. And I think this is a very digital media coined word. In the sense, what I'm coming to is that Allu Arjun was a big star, or Ram Charan, all the South actors, Telugu actors, and you would be surprised the amount of North Indians watched those films on dub.
Dubbed, yeah.
So what has happened is, it's not that people have started watching those actors here. The films have started getting released in theatres here in a big way.
Yeah.
And we have social media which has started the chatter. So what the pandemic, I feel, has done is that 2 years when we were consuming a lot of what's on our phone, it sort of connected territories, right? And the chatter really grew. Suddenly everyone could know anything in a second, which was not happening before.
Yeah.
Yes, there was Instagram, but the impact was not so much. Yes, there was paparazzi, but the impact was not so much. But I feel like everything in that post-pandemic phase is so connected. So now you feel that, oh, they've become pan-India stars, but they always have been. I feel like Hema ji has worked in the South and Hindi back in the 80s.
Yeah.
You know, or Rekha or Tabu ma'am for that matter. So everyone's been working across. It's just that people talk about it now. And they talk about it because the social media talks about it. That's my take. I feel it's like, oh, now every day this is a conversation. So that conversation has become a fact.
Yeah.
But people were not talking about it earlier. So, yeah.
தமிழரின் பாரம்பரிய திருவிழாவை கொண்டாடுவோம் புத்தாடை பொங்கலோடு. The Chennai Silks. Let the celebrations begin.